Hello and welcome to another virtual door opening with your host, Door. And today we're on CSGO, and now we're gonna show you the many different ways of opening a door. Just like this one. Squeaky. And we're in the nuke map today. There are other maps. Request other maps with doors in them in the comments. Now let's quick and end the round. Well, looks like I dared press my kill bind. But that's alright. Hopefully this will give me enough money. Alright, so we're gonna... So, there are multiple ways you can open a door. You can use grenade, Molotov, you can use Zeus maybe. That one I don't know, but for the other more advanced ways, I need to... Advanced and miscellaneous ways, I need to get myself some money. But just to show you how it works, you can open it regularly, pressing E, opening the door, open and close like that. Use grenade. Grenade will open right up real quick. Oh, and also when you do the stuff with the door there, you can play hockey with the door panels. Oh, but I guess they go away. Unfortunate. Now let's just end the round here. It smells nice. Oh, that's me. Alright. Round draw. Oh, no way. Alright. Now, let us go here to MP. After round money. 10,000. Now let's show some other stuff. To, you know, opening up the door. And yes, I'm using my killbind a lot to show the abilities of this certain thing. Because, look at that. Okay, so, some other ways of opening the doors include, you know, you can blow it up with a grenade. See if you can Zeus it. Oh, I guess you can Zeus it. It doesn't do enough damage to break it. But, you can also do damage with guns. And, break the door open. There, look, the door has been opened. And until next time, 'cause I'll see you then.